So hi there everyone, it's a lovely morning in the middle of the rainy season. The sun is out, skies are blue, the dogs are over there watching me, and I'm going for a little walk this morning just around my housing area. Anyone who knows me knows that I absolutely love nature. I love trees, plants, flowers. The trees breathe out oxygen, they breathe in CO2, they drink up water. They're alive. They are living things. And we'll start just down the road with this conifer-like plant. See these more often in England. Let's get a closer look. I used to have quite a few conifers lining my garden back in England. They were tall and thin ones. This is a short and fat one. This is a rather large papaya plant. You can see the papayas growing there. That's a big one. These right here, these are my favourite trees of all time. I just love the colour of them, the shape. I just think they look so great. I definitely need to get some of these trees when I have my own house. Absolutely brilliant, look at that. How cool is that? They just look amazing. Great for pictures and videos as well. Look at that. So cool. As you can hear, the dogs are not too happy that I'm standing here. And look at the leaves on this. It's really nice. I'm just videoing the plants. Don't worry. This one has certainly seen better days. Well, that's a wrap. That's a 15 to 20 minute walk just around the neighbourhood, not too far. It's nice to be enjoying a bit of sun during the rainy season, and it's great to go and look around and see the fabulous nature that is really all around us. We just need to get out there and appreciate it. That's all. I'll see you in the next video.